Welcome guys, in this video I'm with the JBL Tune 700 and I'm gonna show you how you can pair them with your laptop. Okay, so first of all you have to be sure that the device is turned off. You can find the indicator right here in this place, and when it's blinking it means that we have to power off the device. So we have to click and hold this power button until this indicator blinks 2 times on the white. There it is. Right now we can release, and then we have to click and hold this power button one more time until this indicator starts blinking quickly on blue. So let's try. Click and hold, keep holding, and right now we can release. Keep this headset close to your laptop. Sorry guys, I just moved the screen. And what we have to do, that's like very simple. We have to open the Bluetooth settings. So go for the settings, go for the Bluetooth and devices on the left side and click to add a device right here and select Bluetooth. Right now just select your JBL from the list. And as you can see right now we are successfully connected. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.